Hotaru, the blacksmith, is known as the second most hot-tempered person in his village, with no one daring to claim the top spot. He is deeply dedicated to his craft, refusing to rest until he finishes forging a sword. Hotaru also prioritizes his physical fitness. During his free time, he trains on the mountain, doing sit-ups from dawn till dusk and climbing difficult terrains with a nearly 30 kilograms weight on his back. As a craftsman who values swords highly, whenever Tanjiro damages a blade, Hotaru goes into a rage, often sprinting hundreds of kilometers in pursuit, armed with 2 knives ready to strike. If Tanjiro hesitates for even a moment while being chased by Hotaru, losing a few pieces of flesh wouldn't be surprising at all.